What's up, my XO loves, my XO family? How y'all doing out there? Today I'm going to be adding some extension pieces to the back. Afro-kinky and kinky-curly mixed together from Royalties Hair Collection. This I am reusing. I use this for a ponytail and I did not comb it out or anything, so it's looking a little crazy and rough, but it'll be all right. Let's get to it. Okay, so first things first, we're going to go ahead and just part it on out. At the top, get a nice little part. Now this part is not going to be neat. I don't really care. Really, I want to kind of do a slick back look like I already had, but just a little bit longer. So we're just going to part it out and get somewhat of a clear section so I can begin to braid. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and section off a piece so I can start doing my cornrows. And I'm gonna use a little bit of some hair that I just have left over. It's just a little Afro kinky hair, nothing special. Y'all can use whatever y'all want, but this, I just had it, so I'm gonna use it. Just gonna take some little pieces so I can just start my braid. I like to use hair because it keeps, one, my hair is short. It makes my base a little bit stronger and it just makes it a little bit easier to braid with my length. And I also have product and stuff in my hair, so it'll help me keep it together while I'm braiding it. It'll make it a little bit easier. All right, so let's get started with our braid. Again, this is nothing special. My parts aren't even, I'm not even looking in the mirror for this part. Like, that's how much I don't care. We just trying to get it done, y'all. Get it done, get it done, get it done. P.S. I am going skating tonight also, so I'm kind of like in a rush to get this done. That's another reason why I don't really care. I'm just trying to get my hair cool so I can go hit the skating rink, and look good while I skate. All right, so that's enough of that. Let's skip to finishing the braid up. As you can see, it's nothing special, just cut off the end. And if you watch my videos, you know I am a big fan of the latch hook. I crochet everything in place, so I'm just gonna take the end of this braid and crochet it through the rest of my braid. So it's quick and easy and does the job. Voila. All right, so now we just gonna go ahead and grab our sewing needle and thread and start sewing this bad boy in. I know it look a little weird, like the hair all crazy, but it's cool. Like, ain't nothing wrong with the hair. It just needs to be combed out. So you will see, you will see. Also, there is different colors. Some of it I colored before and some pieces I didn't. This is a mixture of our kinky curly and our Afro kinky. As you can see, the end of that is kind of like loose because that was the part I had wrapped around my ponytail. But once I put some water on that bad boy, it's going to go right back to its natural state. Yeah, yeah. And we are all finished sewing the hair in. So now it's time to go ahead and wet it. I am tired, y'all, though. I'm going to take a quick nap and we're going to do this after I wake up. All right, so now I'm back up and I am ponytailing or taking my ponytails out, and then I'm going to hop in the shower since I got to leave anyways later on and do my hair. I'm going to hop in the shower, wet my hair, and then I'll be right back. All right, so now you guys can see I'm out the shower. I did not comb through it at all. I'll be in the shower. I'm doing it now. So now we're just going to detangle. What's up, my loves? If you are enjoying what you see, go ahead and take this time to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Thanks. Mwah. All right, for the fun part, dun 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 dun. Gonna grab that Eco Styler gel, baby. Yes, I got the big jar because I use Eco a lot, especially with short hair. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and slap that onto this bad boy, and we just gonna comb through it and brush through it, and yeah, get it all molded so we can ponytail it and then go from there. Also, at this point, I decided I was going to do a ponytail instead of just like the slick back look because I don't have enough time to really get it how I like it for it to be just a slick back look. So I decided to just do a ponytail quick, easy, and bada bing, bada bam. All right, so we just gonna pull a ponytail together now, get it nice and smooth, and then I am going to, in a few seconds, my camera gonna get messed up. That's my baby, master of distraction, but she cute. Anyways, pull out my little sides. I left my sides out, make them a little curly. Get your curly girl, island girl going on, yeah. Jigga banging right now, y'all. Jigga, jigga, my girl. Okay, and today I am going to go over the top with the main choice edge control. This is a great edge control. It's laid back, effortless, whatever, something like that. I'll place it in the link below. We need that to get these baby hairs right. Just a little bit snatched. We ain't gonna do too much. Just something simple and clean just to make the hairstyle look a little bit better. And now I'm going to grab some foam wrap and put that on there just because it helps. Foam wrap helps detangle this hair effortlessly. So that's the only reason that I'm using that, just to get a quick and easy detangle, which is already easy, but this makes it even easier. All right, so we're getting real close to the end. So we're just going to go ahead and grab that scarf, lay that bad boy down on there so it just lays them hairs down, And then we're going to grab a little bit of that gel, just a little bit, and put it throughout the ponytail and brush through it. So it makes it really bouncy and just makes it look even more natural than it already does. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. And we are all done. We just gonna turn this blow dryer on for a little bit because I wanted to help my hair lay down, and y'all gonna see me take a sip of that cup. You don't want to know what's in it, but just to let y'all know, I went to a BYOB skate night, so just imagine what was in that cup. But anyways, so yeah, we blow drying it so it can stay in place as much as possible because my hair is short. I don't want it to lift too quickly since I just did it. But we all done, y'all. I'm gonna unwrap it and blow dry it just a little bit more to be sure. But yeah, you guys hit me up in the comments. Let me know first off, what you think about this hair, y'all. Like that shit, excuse my language, that stuff blends seamlessly with my hair. It's so crazy. So tell me what you think of this hair. For real, for real. Look at it, just laid. And now we're just gonna go ahead and redo that ponytail real quick just to make it a little bit better than what it was. But yeah, that's the end. Like, subscribe, comment what you think. Let me know if you're gonna try this hairstyle, and if you did, how it came out for you. And I will check y'all later. Peace.